Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dion. We start here with chapstick. This is the crazy troll nation of YouTube. Today is December 6th. I'm talking quick. I'm hoping I don't stumble over my words a lot because then I won't have to edit a lot. Vlogmas, y'all, this is a lot of work. My birthday is in December. I don't really actually celebrate my birthday unless I know someone whose birthday is around mine and they do celebrate, because then we just, you know, kind of hang out together or do something special. Anyway, so we have Ulta here. We have MAC and also Sephora. Oh, this wasn't my birthday. Vitamins, compliments to the VA prescription. So I went to pick up all of my birthday stuff. MAC and Sephora are in Christiana Mall, and Ulta is down the street on the way to the mall. And so I hit all three of them. So I went in Ulta first. What the deal was, there were 3 different codes in the email. One, and it said cashier scan all 3 codes. And one was 20% off. One was $10 off, and the other one was a free gift. And so for what I'm going to show you, I spent $14.49. I was looking at the receipt. What I purchased was a 2-pack of the Neutrogena. I was going to say Neutrogena, and I ain't going to edit that out. Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. There's 25 in each pack, and it's a pack of 50. These are overpriced at Ulta. You can get these cheaper elsewhere, but with the 20% off and then the $10 off, I said I'll just go ahead and get it here at Ulta. I purchased 3 of the NYX Suede Lip Liners. Excuse me, Suede Matte Lip Liners. And so these are the colors. Are they showing up? Yeah. Here you go. So those are the colors right there. The free gift was, look, and it was in this big bag, that little bit of stuff. The free gift was Bareminerals Mini Original Mini Veil Loose Finishing Powder. I don't remember if I've ever tried their finishing powder, but we're going to try it. It looks pink. Is it supposed to be translucent? I guess so. Yeah, it says translucent. I know it's backwards on your end, but looking at it, to me, it looks kind of pinkish. I like that it has a sifter. So I will be trying this because you guys know I love using loose powders. All right, and then I went into, and MAC gave me this big bag too. Oh my gosh. So next I did go into MAC next, and then I went to Sephora. But I'm going to show you Sephora first because it's only one thing. And it was a choice between the NARS Laguna set, which is a mini Laguna bronzer, which back in the day I remember I used to really like that one, and also a lipstick. It was either this or a Laneige set. A lip mask, a face mask, and a face moisturizer. And they were all, of course, like the minis. But because my skin is so sensitive, I'm like, just give me this. Because I do know I like the bronzer. However, it being so small, I'm concerned with hitting pan quicker, which will then make my face break out. So I'm opening the packaging. I opened the box. I never tried the Laguna Lippy. So I'm interested. It's so tiny. I'm going to wind it all the way up. This is it. And that's the shade. Looks like a nice bronzy shade. Should I swatch it? Yeah. Should I put it on? Oh, I need something to wipe my lips. Here we go. All right. Okay. Very neutral. Subtle. Natural look on me. Feels moisturizing. That does not look like anything. But will I wear it? Yes, because it'll go with anything because it doesn't look like anything. That's really like nothing. I'm glad like I didn't purchase this. Yeah, she cute. So I'm gonna swatch this. Where? I'm going to swatch this here. It doesn't even show up on my skin. That's the color. She cute. And actually it reminds me, excuse me for that, actually it reminds me of a lip gloss. I'll wear it. This is the Laguna Bronzer. Super, super teeny. Why does it look like it's already breaking up? So, sorry about that. So that's the Laguna Bronzer. Looks like it has chunks in it. Like it's not a smooth surface. Okay, this is suspect. Like, why does that look like that? And I was gonna say I'd give it away, but I'm not because I just blew on it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to think about if I'm gonna actually use that or not. But I will wear the noise. Yeah, I'll wear the noise. I will wear the lippy, maybe just like in videos. Instead of putting on a gloss, I'll just put that on. All right, so we're going to get into MAC. The MAC gift is awesome. You got a 4-pan compact, and you got to pick 4 shades. And so I went to the register first. I said, I just want to make sure I'm reading this right. It's the compact and the 4 shades. And she said, yes. I was just like, oh, okay, that is awesome. It was only one finish of eyeshadows that you couldn't pick from, which was fine because it was like one of the glittery shadows, something, and I don't do like the glitter stuff, so I'm like, that's fine. And so I had all the others to choose from, like the Dazzle ones, the Frost, the Velvet ones, the Volux, the Pearl, the Mattes. So I'm like, all right. So this is the compact. And it says MAC Lover on it. And I'm going to show you the shades. I tried to pick shades that I didn't necessarily have and shades that would add to... Now again, look at this big bag. For this, 4 shadows. So I tried to pick shades that I either didn't have or that I can just do a look with this one palette, and or shades that would complement other shadows that I have. And so what I what I chose was, again, this is the palette, 4-pan. This is cute. This ribbon thing here, that's cute. So, and I'm going to open these up and swatch them. This shade is Sketch. Now, you guys who are MAC lovers, you remember Sketch. Like back in the day, almost everybody, if you were medium complexion or darker, had Sketch. So I got, oh, I just dropped it. I also picked this shade here, Mo Money. Mo Money, Mo Problems. And it is Mo, M-O. And Sketch is matte, and this one is matte. So I'm looking like this could be like a nice little kind of grungy thing going on here. And I did swatch these in the store, and I liked how they looked on my skin tone. This one, ooh, I don't know what it says. Uninterrupted. I wanted a shade that was a little bit deeper than my skin tone to use possibly as a transition shade and also for under my lower lash line. These are actually the first 2 I picked because I'm like, that can be a nice little grunge. And then throw Sketch like in the outer corner. That's the look right there. And I wanted something with a little shine because this is matte also. So I have 3 mattes. And I was going to get Beauty Marked. I remember back in the day, I liked that one too. Y'all, I am sweating. I remember I liked Beauty Mark back in the day. They didn't have it. I'm like, okay, so something very similar. This is Nude Model, and it doesn't say shimmer finish, and I don't see what finish it is on here, but it is a shimmer. So this is that. So I'm going to swatch. I'm going to open them up. This was the best gift. I mean, you get a palette and shadows. Oh, I just scratched it. So this is, well, I'm going to just swatch them. And since they're all distinctly different, you'll know what the colors are from what I just showed you. And she has said, do you want me to put them in the palette for you? I said no, because I wanted to do it with you guys. Well, at least show you. So this is that shade, that shade, that shade, that shade. Look at that. Where did my cloth go? It's under the MAC bag. So I can wipe off my fingers. Yes, I said fingers. Look at that. Right? That is a whole look. And without this one, it can just be like a grunge. Or I can not use the green and just have the tan and those two. Or just do a look with just those two. Real simple and easy and sweet. And so that's what I wanted to do. That's how I did it. So I'm going to put them in a palette right now. And I promise you I'm not trying to make this longer than it needs to be. So this is my new MAC palette. Look at that. Now if you saw this, would you buy it? I don't know. But looking at this, I'm like, that's a nice pairing, I believe. And so I'm really excited about that. Yeah, so you can do these two, as I said, do a look. These two with a look. This one and this one as a look. I'm excited. So that is it for this video, and you guys will see me in the next one. Thanks.